Oh, looking good. Go, go. Around the bus. Almost there.
Okay, good.
Looking good, you're almost there. Yay, almost there.
Go right.
Oh, this? Oh, thank you.
Yeah. You only go to the right of that, you only go to the left. All right, we'll go right.
Yeah, up and over. Looking good, almost there. Oh, these are beautiful. There's some good ones. There's some good ones. Oh, there's some good outfits.
Oh, there's Grandpa.
Go, Dad! Go, Susie! Woo! Happy, yeah! Are you taking pictures? Okay. We're gonna wait until Papa tells us. Here's a bench score. Woo! Yay! Looking good, almost there.
Shut up. Shut up. Thank you.
Feel more feet.
One forward.
Go out. Go around the bush. Around the bush. Yeah. Looking good. Really, just a ton of fun. Looking good. Here's the principal. Wow, there's a lot of them. Here they come out. Is this him? No, that's not him.
So usually not in the boat.
I know, blue. Wrong color boat, huh? Almost there. Looking good. Looking good, almost there.
They're doing it at the same time.
They're still going, aren't they? It is. Yeah. Almost there. Looking good.
Right, Cal.
One guy is really long, blonde hair. He did his red, white, blue bandana, and then they searched for the stuff.
Like right in the middle that also had the red, white, and blue.
Taking fun.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Looking good, almost there. Woo! Alright, almost there. Go, go, go. Yeah. Almost there!
Gee. Look at a log jam or something, they all coming at once.
Getting close!
Woo! Pass at the last minute. That was clever.
I'm gonna be in there.
What?